What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1,000. We're up about 1.8 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 130 billion, and the 24-hour volume 13.08 billion. Let's pop over into the charts. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. So we could potentially be looking at a wave 2 pullback of this wave 1. But it's retraced quite deep here, almost 100% of the wave 1. We broke below the 0.786. So it would have to bounce here to keep this pattern valid. Of course, it's a possibility. As I had mentioned previously, we broke down from this ascending triangle. So even if we do bounce, we could see a retest and then see continuation to the downside. But the CPI data is coming out today. So if that's positive, we could definitely see a pump in the market. And we could see a large breakout for Ethereum. If it's negative, then I would expect you to roll over and see that continuation to the downside for ETH. Not too much has changed over the last day. We haven't broken this low yet, so the wave count is still intact. I don't have a lot of faith in it personally, just due to the fact that we broke down from the ascending triangle, and we've retraced quite deeply here on the wave 2, which is a sign of weakness in my opinion. So unless that news is really positive and we see a large bounce to break us back into this pattern, then I remain very cautious looking at long trades for Ethereum. But of course, it's not financial advice. We do have a strong level of support. So if you're a support and resistance trader, we have had multiple bounces off this level. So we could definitely potentially see push to the upside. Just watch for a possible rejection off this ascending support line. We've been talking about the potential that this is a wave 4 pullback, and we haven't yet put in that wave 5 as shown here, where this was your wave 3, wave 4. Let me move this a little bit here. And this was your wave 5. Potentially, I think we're looking at a wave 4 pullback, looking for that final wave 5 to take you down in between 500 and about 600 for our friend ETH. In the short term here, if we do see a nice bounce, your levels of resistance to watch, I'm just going to quickly take out my Fibonacci here. Watch this zone here in between about 1116 and about 1161. You can see all the support and resistance in this area could definitely act as resistance for our friend Ethereum. And of course, watch this ascending support line, which is coming in at about 1135. That's basically it for this one. If we do see a large breakout and this was a fake out to the downside, then of course we still have that technical target that could take you all the way up. 1815, which lines up with this level of resistance. And then of course we have started to break down, so your downside target could take Ethereum all the way down here to about 785, which lines up pretty close with our support box here in between about 5 to about 650, 600. And there is strong level of support in that area for ETH. So that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. And if you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses. You can check out the links in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.